When you want to create rounded shapes like this one here, you want to start looking at using different tools such as the Revolve tool. Over in Inventor, what we want to do is start a 2D sketch, and we want to draw half of the object we want to revolve. So for example, looking at this section line here, what we basically want to draw is this right hand side, and then use a Revolve tool to turn to a complete part. So I'm going to use my line tool, and I'm going to start drawing half that object. Alright, in this case here, I can simply close this object by clicking and dragging to meet these points, and I haven't had to type in the angle. Once you've completed half your part that you want to revolve, you can go ahead and hit Finish Sketch and use the Revolve tool, which is found beside the Extrude tool. And two things you need to do. First of all, you need to choose the profile. In this case it's highlighted green because it's the only sketch that's there. Then we want to tell it where the axis is. So that's the part it's going to revolve on. So if I go ahead and click that center line, you can see there it's going to revolve and give me the part that I was after. The other option, of course, is you can draw the whole object as a 2D sketch like this here, and then come along and add a axis line in the middle of the part afterwards. If we hit Finish Sketch, use the Revolve tool, we can now choose which profile we want to revolve. In this case I'll choose this one. Again, choose the axis by coming up here, clicking the arrow beside axis, and choose my center line. And that will give me the same result. It did take me a little bit longer to sketch, however, because I had to draw the whole thing rather than just drawing half of it.